Before names, before tribes, before scriptures and stones, there were the elements. The Vedas call them Pancha Mahabhuta, the 5 great elements. Indigenous elders call them living spirits. Different languages, the same truth. These elements are not outside us, they live within us. Akasha, space, the first element, the unseen womb of creation. In the Vedas, Akasha is the field where sound is born, where mantra lives. Elders say this is the great mystery, the silence that listens. Space teaches us presence. Without space, nothing can exist. Vayu, breath, movement, life force. The Vedas call it Prana. Indigenous wisdom calls it spirit breath. Every breath you take is borrowed. When breath is restless, the mind is restless. When breath is calm, the soul speaks. Agni, fire, transformation, truth, inner light. Fire carries offerings in Vedic rituals. Smoke carries prayers in native ceremony. Fire does not judge, it only reveals. It burns illusion and leaves wisdom. Apas, water, memory, healing, flow. The Vedas say water is sacred, a mother. Elders say water remembers every prayer. Tears, rivers, rain, all are one. Where water flows, healing follows. Prithvi, earth, the great mother. She carries our weight without complaint. From her we are born, to her we return. Earth teaches patience, humility, and belonging. But the Vedas remind us of something deeper. You are not the earth, not the water, not the fire, not the breath, not even the space. You are the witness of them all. The Vedas call this Atman. Elders call it the Great Spirit within. One truth, one source, one life breathing through many forms. When we forget the elements, we fall out of balance. When we honor them, we remember who we are. Great Spirit, bring balance to the earth within me, the waters within me, the fire within me, the breath within me, and the sacred space that holds my soul. May I walk gently. May I remember. Aho. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi.